Hello bio partners! Have you ever thought what role do flowers play in a plant life? During spring seasons, our surroundings are filled with fragrance of flowers. Almost every plant around has flowers on it. We see varieties of flowers on them. So today let us learn about floral parts. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell.
Welcome to Bioeducation.
So to learn about floral parts, let us take an example of datura flower. Stalk. Stalk is nothing but the slender attachment or support of leaf, either flower or fruit. The stalk is green in color. Thalamus. It is found near the stalk of the flower. Stalk has a slightly swollen head. It is called thalamus. It is the seat on which the parts of flowers are present. In other words, we can also say that it is the main branch for holding the all parts of the flower. Now, let us observe the parts that just come above the thalamus. There is a green tube-like structure called calyx. The edges on the parts towards the petals have a thin leaf-like structure called sepals. Remember that the lower ends of the sepals are fused to form a tube-like structure that is called calyx. Corolla. All the petals of a flowers are called corolla. Petals are usually encompassed by another set of modified leaves called sepals. They collectively forms the calyx and lies just beneath the corolla. Calyx and corolla together makes a perianth. Androecium. The soft elongated structure attached to the petals called stamens. For the stamen, there is a bulb-like structure at the top of each stamen that is called pollen sac or anther. Just below it, a fine whitish thread-like structure called filament attaches the anther. So, stamen has an elongated filament and a bulb-like pollen sac. Stamens of the flowers are together called the male part or androecium. Gynoecium. Right on the thalamus is seated a bulb-like structure called ovary. Just above it, a fine tube-like structure called style. The anterior part of style contains a bead-like structure called stigma. The whole structure from ovary to stigma is called pistil or female reproductive parts. All these parts present on the pistil together called as a gynoecium. So these are the floral parts of datura as we learned about stalk, thalamus, calyx and corolla and difference between androecium and gynoecium. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up.